Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing a GK lesson, Animals and Their Young Ones. When you are born, you are a little baby like this. Soon you begin to grow up and you can stand up. Even when you are a little baby like this, you grow up and there are different stages of our life till we become old. So here is a baby, then you are a boy, then you are a teenager, then an adult, a man, an older man, and then a very old man. So you see, all of us have grown up. But who takes care of us when we are little like this? It is our parents or the elders in our home who take care of us when we are little. So also with animals. The little ones of animals are taken care of by their parents. Today, children, we will learn about the young ones of animals. Now, this is a dog. The young one of a dog is a puppy. This little doggy here is a puppy. So when they are small, they are called puppy. This is a cat. The young one of a cat is a kitten. What is the young one of a cat? Kitten. See this little baby cat here? He is called a kitten. This is a goat. The young one of a goat is a kid. This little goat is called a kid. So what is the young one of a goat? A kid. This is a sheep. The young one of a sheep is a lamb. The little sheep here is called a lamb. What is the young one of a sheep? Lamb. This is a cow. The young one of a cow is a calf. What is the young one of a cow? Calf. This is a horse. The young one of a horse is a foal. What is the young one of a horse called? Foal. This is a hen. The young one of a hen is a chicken. These little baby chicks here are called chicken. So the young one of a hen is a chicken. This is a duck. The young one of a duck is a duckling. What is the young one of a duck? Duckling. So baby ducks are called duckling. This is an owl. The young one of an owl is an owlet. This little baby owl is called an owlet. This is a tiger and this is a lion. Both their babies have the same name. The young one of a tiger or a lion is a cub. So these little ones are called cubs. A baby tiger is a cub and a baby lion is also a cub. Now let's do fill in the blanks. The young one of a dog is a, what is the young one of a dog? Puppy. The young one of a dog is a puppy. The young one of a sheep is a lamb. The young one of a sheep is a lamb. The young one of a tiger or lion is a cub. The young one of a lion or a tiger is a cub. The young one of a goat is a kid. So the young one of a goat is a kid. The young one of a hen is a chicken. The young one of a hen is a chicken. The young one of a horse is a foal. The young one of a horse is a foal. The young one of an owl is an owlet. The young one of an owl is an owlet. The young one of a duck is a duckling. The young one of a duck is a duckling. The young one of a cow is a calf. The young one of a cow is a calf. The young one of a cat is a kitten. The young one of a cat is a kitten. Now here, children, we will identify the young one of an animal. I will show you a picture and you have to identify it. Tell me, what is the young one called? This is a sheep. What is the young one of a sheep called? Lamb. This is a lion. What is the young one of a lion called? Cub. This is a goat. What is the young one of a goat called? Kid. This is an owl. What is the young one of an owl? Owlet. This is a dog. What is the young one of a dog? A puppy. This is a duck. What is the young one of a duck? Duckling. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood the topic of the young one of animals.